Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to mid-weekly analysis from Mr. Boom. And we are going to analyze the gold market from the technical and fundamental factor, and we will break down the issues behind the gold rise up. What is the behind the story? Okay, so let's get started. And as per our analysis style, we start our analysis with weekly time frame first, then daily, then we will decide the market direction for today in H4 or H1 time frame. Okay, as per you can see there, in weekly term, gold is long buy from long time ago, maybe beginning of the 2022. Okay, as you can see there, in that point gold is started to spike and it's never been stopped. It's just trying to go up and up each and every time. And if I select daily time frame, as you can see there, if I want to show you previous few weeks gold movement, as you can see the gold was started to move around this particular box, and last 2 days, that means today and tomorrow, yesterday there was big spike from yesterday's market, and today also is trying to go big or trying to spike big. Okay, and if I select daily time frame, H4 time frame, H4 time frame, as you can see there, market is trying to rise up continuously at that moment. As you consider in H4 time frame, there is only 1 2 3 bearish candle, and all of them is bullish. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, what is the reason? There is 4 major reason to gold spike. Number 1, weakness of US dollar. Okay, US dollar is getting weaker day by day, that's why in that case gold is flying day by day. This is the number 1 scenario. And number 2 scenario is Fed interest rate cut. Okay, that means the Fed is expected to cut interest rates, that's why there is more inflation on USD and gold is rising up. And number 3, if I consider number 3, global where, like there is a lot of where going in globally, and there was also political tensions and economic slowdown. That means there is also economic slowdown. This is one of the reason to gold going up. And another reason is number 4. If I consider this reason is central bank gold purchases. Okay, many central banks are diversing reserve away from the dollar by buying gold. That means they are losing their trust on United States dollar, and they are trying to buy gold, and most of the central bank are trying to buy gold. That's why gold is going up. This is one of the reason. Okay, there is 4 reason to gold go buy or go up, and this is the current situation right now. And let's talk about the technical factors. And as per I always say, there is 20% is technical for long term and 80% is fundamental. Okay, this is for long term. And if you wish to or plan to scalp, then you can take a pattern or take a random pattern. And as you can see that there is a breakout, you can take buy here. There is engulfing confirmation, you can take sell everywhere. There is trend line confirmation, you can sell everywhere. There is another confirmation, that means trend line confirmation, you can buy here. There is another confirmation, that means trend line confirmation, you can sell here. And there is trend line confirmation to go buy, and there is a breakout confirmation to go buy. You may take scalping or short-term entry using your technical analysis, but firstly you must have to follow the fundamental things or fundamental factors. And as per our last gold buy signal, we already taken 30 pips TP3, and let me show how I take the entry. Number 1, there is some few reason. Number 1 is gold is already in bullish movement. That means there is a strong bullish movement for gold. So we was waiting for a breakout, bullish breakout or bullish confirmation. So I am just waiting for this triangle confirmation. That means this triangle breakout down or up. Okay, so that give us the breakout, and again a small pullback around that particular area. You may see there is a pullback, and we took entry around 3757. Okay, if you are especially following our Telegram channel, you may know that. And we took entry, and that spikes and hit our 130 bips. Okay, TP. Okay, and this is the one of the major reason. And number 1 is Number one is fundamental, number two is breakout, okay, breakout above here, and geopolitical tension also. So what you can do in this unstable market, okay, you have to consider your buy, and let me show you. You have to consider buy because of fundamental reason. So you must have to think in that market situation, you have to take buy entry, better to avoid sell entry. And if you also take sell entry, you must have to use SL, because as you can see there was a trend line confirmation, a triangle confirmation to go sell. So if you want to sell and around that particular area, you must have to use SL around that particular area, and you can take your TP this particular area. That means you must have to use proper money management for sell entry. But I always recommend to avoid sell entry right now, because market is big bull right now. Anytime market can go up and hit your SL, and if you do anything wrong by mistake, like if you take bigger lot size but no SL, in that case your account will be washed out, because as you can see there, in that few minutes market just move around 150 to 200 pips. So you have to consider that options carefully, okay. And for next few day, for next few day, let me select H4 time frame. If you ask me, Mr. Boom, what can be happen in next few day, we already sent our analysis into our free Telegram channel, so you may see that that was support and resistance analysis. And if I want to draw a trend line, let me make it perfect. If I want to draw a trend line around that particular area, as you can see there, for long term, okay, this is only for the long term. And if we want to draw lower one around that particular area, okay, that may not be perfect, but I'm trying to make as quick as possible. As you can see that there is a bullish breakout in H4 time frame, and what can be happen in long run, it may go down and give us a pullback or retest that particular area, it will go up again as per the geopolitical issues, as per the Federal Reserve policies. That means interest rate cuts and global waves and central bank gold purchase and United States dollar going weaker day by day. That's all of them. That means the sum of all of them is equal gold is buy, okay. So you have to consider buy each and every time. So you may make a big amount, or if you want to take sell as per scalping entry, as per I said before, you must have to use tight sell, okay, and must follow your money management. So I hope all things is clear now for today. If need, I will update another analysis. So must have to subscribe our YouTube channel, and you may join a public Telegram channel. We are sharing a lot of entry analysis and market updates or news updates into our Telegram channel. Telegram channel link in the video description box. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.